When I opened Success Academies, I had 3 children under the age of 6. So I was immersed in play, and I know how important play is to a child's development. You could think that because, we are very dedicated to science and mathematics and reading and writing, that children are just playing for 20 minutes, but it's over 2 hours every single day. Children are naturally good at playing. They have play built into their DNA. Children learn to take risks through play. Taking those risks is part of learning to navigate life. At Success Academies, we give children the time and space to engage in play. In kindergarten and first grade, we have a dedicated block room. Blocks at Success Academies is a subject. It's like reading and math and science. That is almost unheard of in schools across America. We also have something called choice time, which is recognizing kids' needs for imaginary play. There are a variety of stations kids get to choose from, and then we learn to take turns and navigate those stations. All children in elementary also do recess. For us, recess is actually a subject. It's not optional. That's where they make friends. That's where they grow socially and emotionally. We also believe in games. Kids play chess at our school. In second grade, games is actually a subject. And kids start with Goblet, then they go to Rummy Cube, and then finally, we end our year with Backgammon. So one of the things that I'm most proud of is when you walk into our classrooms, you will see kids engaged and joyful and taking pleasure in their learning. Kids are just happier when you give them large amounts of time to play.